Hi guys, this is Rubel. Welcome to this new video. Today I'm going to show you how you can add Google Analytics to your WordPress website. Now you can ask me why you need to add Google Analytics to your WordPress website. The answer is, if you would like to know how many visitors are visiting your website regularly, where are they visiting from, how long they are spending time on your WordPress website, which place they are visiting, even from which part of the country they are visiting. To know all this kind of information, you have to use Google Analytics to your website. Otherwise, you will not be able to know them. So let's start how to set up Google Analytics to your WordPress website. To set up Google Analytics to your WordPress website, first of all, you have to create a Google Analytics account. As I have already created a Google Analytics account, that is why I will use my existing Google Analytics account to my website. I am going to use Google Analytics to this website. This is my client website. He has requested me for adding Google Analytics to his website. So I am going to log into my Google Analytics website. I have redirected to Google Analytics dashboard as I have existing account, but whenever first time you will sign up for the Google Analytics account, you have to fill up all the adding your website name and your website URL. Then you will, whenever you will complete your sign up process, you will get this dashboard and Google Analytics dashboard. So I told you, as I have a website I have added with my Google Analytics, so I am going to add another by clicking admin button. So whenever I have clicked on admin, I have redirected to this page, and now I'm going to create another account for my website as for this website. So let's click create account, and then this is account and this is required field. So I have to write something here for my account name. I write here my site, and then I will click on next button. Then I'm going to add this to my website, so I will keep this, and then I will create and my website name, test name. I just write here test name. You can write your website name, and I have to paste here my website URL here. As this is HTTPS, I mean SSL, so I have to select here HTTPS. Then I will remove HTTPS. That's all, and you have to select here your website category. I'm just selecting this one, and I'm not going to send a reporting time zone, and then I will create here, and then I have to accept all this one, this one, and I will click accept. Yeah, our account about ready. Sorry for about that. Our account is ready now. This is the code. This is our tracking code. So our website has been added with Google Analytics. Now we have to go to WordPress dashboard, and I need to install a plugin, as I am going to use the analytics by using a plugin. So I have already installed a plugin. Yeah, this one, and I will activate this. Yeah, it has been activated already. The plugin is inside. Just I have to click here, launch wizard, business website. Yeah, if you have e-commerce or publisher, then you can choose them also. So I am not changing this. Connect monster inside. That means our Google Analytics account has to connect with monster plugin. Then I choose this one as my client email. Okay, now click on allow. Yeah, now this is very important. I think you can see that there is two websites. This is, but now I'm going to use this one. So if we make mistake here, our Google Analytics will not work. So keep in mind that and check this field properly, that the exact website URL you have put here, and then complete connection. It's finalizing authorization, and then we have to log in again. Yeah, and now we have to click on save and continue. Save and continue. Continue and install this setup. Okay, now just save change. We are about to finish. We connected our website with Monster Insight plugin, and now if we click on report button, we can see the analytic here. As we are seeing everything is zero because we have just set Google Analytics with this website. If after a few days we visit this website, we shall be able to see here everything, how many visitors are visiting, I mean everything we shall be able to see from this dashboard, just inside and report. And we can see also a little preview here. If we click on dashboard, and yeah, here is Monster Insight dashboard is showing here. From here we can also be informed about the Google Analytics. Also, we can get the same information from the Google Analytics account also. Just click on home and we can get all the information here as you get from the WordPress dashboard. I hope guys this video will be very helpful for you. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel and like, comment and share. See you in the next video. Bye.